Hi, this is Anahit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here again because we are going to learn some useful English phrases and English sentences which can help you while shopping in English, especially when you are going to buy clothes. So join me to learn those important English phrases and English sentences. May I help you? No, thanks. I'm just browsing. I'm just browsing means you are going just to look around. You use it when you want to say, I don't need your help because I want to look at the items here, so I might buy them or not.
Just browsing, thank you.
Coming. Coming means available. I mean, whenever you use this in a shop, you want to know if they have that item in a different color or in a different size. For example, do these pants come in black? That means, do you have the black color of these pants?
Do they only come in khaki?
Sold out. To be sold out means finished. When they tell you, for example, we are sold out or they are sold out, it means we don't have them anymore.
Yes, these are sold out.
To be on sale. When something is on sale, it means it is going to be sold cheaper than usual. For example, it is the time they put everything on sale in winter or in summer so that people are able to buy them so cheaper.
It was on sale.
To be marked down. To be marked down again means to be cheaper. When something is marked down, again you can buy it so cheaper. For example, those pants are marked down from $90 to $50.
And everything is marked out.
How much is it? How much does it cost? How much are they? How much do they cost? Here you want to know about the price.
How much is it?
How much does it cost?
It is $100. They are $100. It costs $100. They cost $100. For price, you can use of these words. Pricey. To be pricey means to be expensive. It is pricey. It is expensive. Reasonable. Reasonable means not expensive, not too cheap. It's okay. The other one, cheap or inexpensive. It is really cheap, for example.
Hey, that sounds pricey.
Snug. Snug means too tight. It is not your size, actually. It is too tight for you. That skirt is a little snug. Baggy. Baggy means loose. These pants are a little baggy. It means they are bigger than my size. Run small. Run small means smaller than the real size. If something runs small, it means you need to buy a bigger size. The other one, run big. If something runs big, it means it is bigger than the real size and you need to buy smaller size. The next size up. It means bigger size. Let me bring you the next size up.
Ma'am, do you have this in the next size up?
It fits you. It fits you, it means it is your size. Not tight, not loose. They are your size or they fit you.
It fits you.
It suits you. It means it looks good on you. If I wear a red t-shirt, I look beautiful. Here you can say it looks good on you or it suits you.
It suits you.
It looks good on you.
Take my word for it. It is the thing sometimes a seller might tell you. Take my word for it, it means believe me. For example, you say, what's your opinion about this skirt? It suits you. Take my word for it. It means believe me. I will take it. I will take them. You use these sentences whenever you want to say, I will buy something or I will buy them. It means you like that item. I will leave it. I will leave them. However, you use these two sentences whenever you don't want to buy something. It means I don't want them or I won't buy it, I won't buy them. How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? It means how do you want to pay? In cash or by a debit card or by a credit card?
Would you like to pay?
Credit card.
I would like to pay in cash or I'd like to pay in cash. It means I will give you paper money.
Yes, can I pay cash?
I'd like to pay by credit card. I'd like to pay by debit card. It means I want to pay with a card. Changing room. It is a room where you can try on clothes.
Is there a changing room?
Try on. Try on means test. I mean, you want to wear clothes or shoes, everything, to be sure if you like it, you like them, or no.
Try it on, try it on!